Good Monday morning, class. It is Mindful Monday, so be ready to share at 8:30. Today also marks our rollout to Microsoft Teams. As you probably have noticed in the PowerPoint for our Monday classwork checklist, I have removed the slide that said Zoom codes and passwords. We will still continue to use Seesaw for activities until we feel ready to do away with Seesaw altogether. Know that this first week on Teams may be a little rocky, but we will soon get used to this new platform. Patience is key. All of your meetings are in your Teams calendar. Take a look at it after listening to this, and you will see all of your meetings for today, the 19th. Simply click on the meeting before that time and click join. Once you do that, it will immediately take you to that meeting. Let's make it a great Monday. I will see you guys at 8:30.